This serum will help you reduce severe hair fall and increase hair growth and treat all sorts of hair problems. Fenugreek seeds, metthi dana a tablespoon. Black seeds, kalonji a teaspoon. Bay leaf taze pat 2. Add 3 to 4 cloves long. Add a cup of water. Mix it and leave it for half an hour. After half an hour, pour into a pan and put on flame. Cook on low-medium flame until it reduces a third of cup. Strain it. Let it cool down. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take a bowl and add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Please press the like button. A teaspoon of almond oil. You can add any oil. A teaspoon of rosemary oil. Mix it very well. Add the mixture in it. Mix all the ingredients very well. If you like the video, please like, comments, and share with your family and friends. Rosemary oil reduces hair fall and promotes hair growth. Transfer into an airtight container. How to apply. After taking a bath, when your hair is wet, you have to put this serum in your hand and apply on your scalp and gently massage your wet hair. Whenever you have to do shampoo, you will apply this serum. You can store this serum for 15 days in the refrigerator.